Hello, I'm Andrew with Zen Windows, and today we'll be looking at the Zen fiberglass window by FiberFrame. Fiberglass is a low maintenance material, extremely durable, and this is a double hung fiberglass window by FiberFrame. To open this window, just disengage the lock and pull up on the lift rail. The window will slide up and down nice and smoothly. To tilt the window in for easy cleaning, it has two tilt latches. Pull those in towards the center and tilt that in. You can clean this window from the inside of your home. You can do that without having the ladder on the outside of your home or hiring the pressure washer. Both of those sashes on a double hung window tilt in for easy cleaning. Grids are available between the panes of glass to make cleaning easy, and they are available on the top and bottom sashes of all of the fiberglass windows by FiberFrame. Hardware options are innumerable. There are many different colors that are available for the hardware, and there's many different placement options. You can contact your Zen Windows owner for some of those different options. So that's the interior of the window. I'll flip this around to look at the exterior. The exterior of the window has a sloped sill, so water gets channeled away from your home, which of course is what you want. And this has a full screen on it. There are various screen options. Again, contact your Zen Windows owner for those options. Innumerable color options are available. Here's just a sampling of some of the colors. Exterior and interior colors are available, as well as any Sherwin-Williams color that you get at the Sherwin-Williams store. That's available on the Zen FiberFrame window. Now I'm going to show you a casement window by FiberFrame. This is a Zen casement window. It's a fiberglass window, again by FiberFrame. People like fiberglass windows with a wood interior because you get the look and the feel of actual wood, and this is actual wood. You can paint it or stain it to the color of your liking, but it doesn't have the maintenance that a typical wood window has. To unlock this window, simply unlock the latch, fold out the handle, and you can open your window by cranking the handle. The Zen fiberglass windows by FiberFrame have a true lifetime parts and labor warranty. We like to say that you should never pay another penny for your window project ever again when you go with the Zen fiberglass window by FiberFrame. Congratulations! By watching this short video, you've saved yourself 2 to 4 hours with a high-pressure home improvement salesperson in your home, and you're well on your way to Zen enlightenment. If you haven't already done so, go to zenwindows.com now to start your quote for the Zen fiberglass window by FiberFrame. Thanks for watching.